All right, we're gonna go over the install. I just picked up this Lone Star tracking GB130 tracker off Amazon. So I want to show you what it takes to install. See if it's possible with one hand. So got a little user manual. A couple of directions in there. So it comes with the tracker and two-sided adhesive. So move this stuff out of the way. So I've got a little wrench here, and basically what needs to be done, you can look at the tracker and you'll notice this arrow right here. So this needs to be pointing towards the front of the vehicle. So according to the manual that they have, the label needs to be up. It's designed to be mounted on top of your battery, and that arrow needs to be facing forward. So on my Tahoe here, I'm just going to mount it right on this battery right here. I'm just going to wipe it off so it sticks. Got positive and negative. So, and then with it, you can see there's, I don't know, I'd say about 12 inches of cable that come with it. As I'm doing this with one hand, what I'm going to try and do here is, let's see, I'll go ahead and actually just mount the tracker first. So I'm going to just mount it right here. Let's see if I can get this with one hand. Okay. Just pressing it down nice and firm. And then peel the backing off here. Okay, so it's sticky. It's ready to be installed. So I'm just setting it on. Just put a little pressure on it, make sure it's not going anywhere, and physically it's installed. Now I just need to connect power. So black goes to negative, red goes to positive. So I'm going to loosen my screw terminals here. Slide that under, grab the wrench. I know it's probably tough to see. I'm going to actually pause it and screw this down real quick. Alright, so I got it nice and tight. So the cover will go over it. And next one we have is a black one. So the ground. And I thought I'd loosened it. Alright. So that is nice and loose. So I'm just going to reach back in here and there we go. Okay. And now, if I can get the wrench back on. Go ahead and get it tightened down. Remember to fully tighten these, at least on my vehicle. Those screws are what's actually holding the not only the tracker. I'll show you not only the tracker right here, but it also tightens the entire piece here onto the terminal on the battery. So if this is loose, not only will the tracker come off, but I'll also not have a good connection to my battery. So if I don't have a good connection, I may have trouble starting the car. You know, there's no telling. Other thing you want to do is these wires, just kind of make sure they're out of the way. You don't want them catching on anything. You know, in my case, I don't really have anything around the battery here, so I'm not too worried. But I'll probably put a little zip tie on it, just a little wire management there, keep it clean. But that's it. She's installed. You do see there is a blinking LED light. This only blinks for the first 30 minutes, I think it said, and then it turns off. So keep that in mind. If you see that light turn off, don't be worried. It's designed to turn off. But at least I know I've got power and it looks like the unit's activating. So according to the manual here, I'm going to head over to the website. And I guess I did this backwards because step one was activating my device. And then step two is install it. But I'm going to put my finger over it. You've probably already seen it, not a big deal. Right down here, I do have an IMEI number. That's kind of like the serial number on the device. So I'm going to go to the activation page and get it activated and should be good to go.